Hey everyone, it's Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to do a second October daily video for today. This one is going to be super quick and super fast. And I am doing TV shows. I don't know about you, but if you have family members or, you have your kids, I just find that as they get older, it is harder and harder to find something that they all enjoy watching. Please feel free to leave any and all shows that you and your family enjoy in the comments below because I will take all the suggestions. I feel like we watched everything on Netflix last year, but seriously, I will take all suggestions. So that is what I'm documenting here is the great debate of what to watch, because one night I was just like, that's it. We're not going to watch separate things. We're not going to take turns. We're all going to watch one family program. So I took some different pieces of paper, one from a 6x6 paper pack that I got from Joann's, and then another Echo Park paper, and also some Basil shiny cardstock paper. I also took a TV from Ali Edwards' watch story kit, and I added kind of like a little lip at the bottom. That way it would be raised like a real TV, and also I could slide in the TV shows that we actually watched. I typed up all the journaling and put it on clear sticker paper, and then I'm going to put that at the bottom. So I'm going to put the sticker paper down for the journaling, and then I will figure out how I want to insert my TV shows. I thought I could put some foam up in the top right corner because it was kind of, the TV was kind of bubbling up, if that makes sense. But I couldn't, so I'm just going to have to only have tape on the far left side. So we decided on one of our old classic favorites. We absolutely love Scooby-Doo. The original is the best, and so we watched that, and I needed to add a little bit extra on the end of the image that I found, so that way it could slide in and I could slide it back out. Also decided to add in a little piece of the glitter cardstock, a little torn edge, that way you could pull it out a little bit easier. And then the other thing that we found to watch was the classic 1952 cartoon with Donald Duck and Witch Hazel. Hazel Witch. It was hilarious. It's only 9 minutes, like I said, and we just all enjoyed it, and we were all laughing. And so I included that as well, and then I picked a ghost paper for the tab. And then I will slide that in, and I will finally add the torn pieces of paper. I'm just really loving that design of torn paper, so I'm just continuing with that same design kind of throughout this album. And then of course I'll just trim off the extra that I don't need. I did wind up making the witch photo a little bit too small, so it kind of slips out of the TV, but I'll deal with that later, or maybe not at all, but I still absolutely love how this came together, and with the TV, and then you can switch the channel, and I love it. And then the papers that I found with the witch, it's such a fun little cartoon. So if you get a chance to see it, you should. It was really funny. And then I'm going to finish up with the title that I just printed out and fussy cut, and I will pop dot it to put the great debate, because it really was the great debate. We sat down and we had a discussion. We are going to find something to watch together. This page is actually going to go on the back of the haunted house page, so I'm going to glue that on and then put it together, and then it can go into my album. I had to trim off a little section so that way they match sizes, and then it is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this one come together. I know it was a quick one, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.